Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna give you a very systematic strategy to make a lot of money using Pinterest marketing. Let's launch the Pinterest app and let me show you how you can actually drive a free traffic to your website or the platform. First thing you wanna see, I wanna show you this particular listing over here because I was confused and probably you'll be confused as well. But the most important part is this particular photo make me to click and to actually go on the website. So when you look at over this, you might be thinking that's 250 for the set of 3 items, right? Which sounds like a good deal considering that you have Air Jordans, Type A City, you have Essentials, and you have Nike sweater, right? That sounds like a good deal. But when you actually visit the website, you will see that that's just the Nikes, right? You're just gonna get the Nikes for 250. What I'm even trying to highlight over here, I'm trying to pinpoint that sometimes you need to utilize different traffic audience, different groups that are interested in different items so you can get them interested in your item, in your niche. What am I saying? Let's say you have a fans of Essential brand, right? They're completely different than the fans of Nikes because look at the Type A City Nike, right? It has a very contrast colors. It's not, blur. It's not gray. It's not black. It's very, very colorful, very, attractive, attention grabber for sure. But if you scroll down, you will find that this strategy works because many different stores and business owners are utilizing it. Just look at this. Somebody's promoting North Face, New York Yankees hat, and another Air Jordan. What is this telling you? Well, if we're selling only one item, for example, again, we're selling the Air Jordans, but if you just promote the Air Jordans and use Air Jordan hashtags, the only people who are going to see it is going to be a regular Nike fans or Nike collectors, right? Which is very competitive. Essentially, they probably seeing 100 different Pinterest posts with the same sneakers or similar sneakers, or they're getting offers. The way how you actually drive a free traffic to your particular listing to get people to buy from you and not from other people selling the same or similar shoes is simply targeting different fans. In this example, we have fans of New York Yankees, millions of people potentially. And then you have millions of people who are liking North Face. The most important part is that over here you have, again, people that are coming from the sport, right? Sport enthusiasts. North Face, people who are loving outdoor activity, hiking, skiing, paddling, water sports, any kind of sport activity. On the flip side, you have New York Yankees, right? Baseball team. So you have another large group of sport enthusiasts. So if you actually get combined 2 million people or 2 million visits, 2 million impressions just coming for free, simply because you add the Nike cap and the North Face jacket to see your listing of your Air Jordan shoes, well, let's take a extremely conservative example, and let's say 0.01% are decide to purchase something from your store, right? That's a very good sales for absolutely free. We're not talking about running a targeted marketing campaign here using ads. We're not talking about using Facebook ads. We're not talking about paying an influencers on TikTok to promote your product. We're simply talking about having a different approach to your audience, to your potential audience, because we're not sure that these people will buy. We're not sure that these people are interested in this model. They might like the Nike, but they don't like the high tops, right? But guess what? Your goal is to get them to go on your landing page, to go on your website. Then they can browse all the other shoes you're having. They might not buy this one, but they might buy something else, which is still a free sale, free new customer. And cost acquisition, we all know, simply is going higher and higher. It costs much more to gain new customer versus retain the old customer. This is how you get free traffic. This strategy works. As you can see, many different people are using this strategy. This strategy will not be utilized and people will not be copying this strategy if this strategy did not work. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.